Hello there, this is Tim for another app look, an app review, whatever you want to call it. I'm back. This time it's for the Lumin application. I've had this app for some time and I'm a huge fan of it. So without further ado, let me just jump into this app and what it brings to you, the user. So here's the icon of Lumin. It's a little match. And what this app is for is to give you a zoom, a close-up image of what you're looking at. So say you're at a restaurant. Darkly lit restaurant, hard to read menu because it's small text. Say you have Lumin. Now you can actually look at the menu, hit pause on that menu, and see what it is you are looking at in a close way. So one thing I'm impressed about is just the quality of the zoom. It looks like you have a macro lens with what this application can do. So as you're probably seeing on the screen, I've got my keyboard here, and it'll autofocus on whatever is in the middle here. So there's autofocus and beep when it's done. I can pause, and now I'll take a picture of it. And then I've got it. It's good to go. I can actually export that to the photo library, or tweet that, or email that. So there's a nice up-close picture. So let me just do a demonstration about how this looks compared to a camera. So let me focus in on a letter. Let's do the letter I. So here's the letter I. Let's save that to the camera roll. And let's do what is visible. Ipsy. And let's now take a photo of just let's do the eye again. This is without any kind of lens or anything. You can already see the big difference here. I'm having to get really close to try to do this here. So, as you can probably tell with this example here, this eye is remarkably more clear than the camera. I wasn't able to go into the photo roll because it was just locking up this stream for me to do this. So, unable to do that, but sadly I wasn't able to do that. But as you can see, with the camera as I was shooting and the example here, much more clear, much more close up without me actually getting that much closer. If I get the same distance as I was with the camera app, I'd be about right there, which is remarkably clear for something that's not a macro lens. This is just amazing technologies here. So you also have the ability to turn on a flashlight. So as you can see there, turns on the flash, and that's really helpful. You're able to flip the camera if you so desire, and that's basically it. You're able to tap on the screen to focus in, but that's the whole application. It's very simple, very easy to understand, and incredibly useful. So if you're in a situation where you need to get macro shots, so to speak, with software, Lumin is the go-to app and the app I'd recommend. Thanks for watching. Check out my daily Apple News show over at iWakePodcast.com. Aloha.